Hey guys, it's Destiny and this is Two Femme Family with another video. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys and it's gonna be amazing. Bear with me. I think I've never done one of this in my channel if I'm not mistaken, but we're gonna try. I have a lot of nice goodie stuff from the Dollar Tree and everything I have for you guys today is from the Dollar Tree. Everything. So let's start with the kitchen stuff. You guys know me and Lena are obsessed with wine. We love wine. So everything that have to do with wine and cheese we're in it. So this was really inexpensive. It brings two of them. This is to hold your pet. And I found the matching kitchen towel. I also found the matching, the oven mitt. Very, very good. I don't use, this a lot because I tend to hold the pad like this, but cute fine, $1. So this is first. The second thing that we're gonna have, this is for my new coffee bar that I'm making. This cup, guys, oops, sorry, almost broke something there. This is amazing. So this says, I love you more than coffee, but not always before coffee. So I love you more than coffee, but not always before coffee. What do you guys think about it? I love it. So all of this, I'm gonna surprise Lena, my wife. She doesn't know. The next one I got, it says, take it down. The best time to drink coffee is now. Perfect. This is perfect for the fall right now. Next thing I have is this sign. Halloween is approaching and we're decorating for fall and Halloween. So I am probably going to use it for the coffee bar of the countertop in the kitchen, and it said eat, drink, and be scary. I love it. Like I said, we are decorating for the fall. So this one said give thanks. So right after we take off the sign at the door for Halloween, we're switching it with that one. And he says, home of a spooky witch, one handsome devil, and their ghoulish goblins. Isn't that cute? So we are witches, and then we got a handsome devil, which is Raylan. I thought this was perfect. Cute. That's one sign for one of the front door. We have two front doors, so this is the other one, and this one it says, "Shriek or shriek, walk your way to be tricked." So cute. So yeah, so after those two comes down, after Halloween, then, we put the other one. This one, it says autumn, falling leaf, pumpkin spice, happy fall, had apple cider, families and friends. Beautiful. So beautiful. The other sign that I have is actually a chalkboard, and it says thankful. So right here, we are going to write every single day whatever we're thankful for. That's my idea. Again, Lena doesn't know anything, but that's what I'm trying to do for the coffee bar. That's what it's going to be. Yeah. Thankful. I'm so grateful. This is going to be so cute. I also got this base. And it's going to be for my flowers that I'm going to put for the centerpiece that I'm going to try to do for our dining set. And then these are for the coffee bar. And I got fall colors, for the fall. So I got that one. I got the red one. And then I have a black one. Yep. All of this is for the coffee bar. What else do we got? I got two picture frames, and this I am gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint it with spray paint. That's gonna be a DIY project that I'm gonna show you while I'm doing it. And this is gonna be for the bathroom. This is a project that I'm doing for the bathroom, again for fall decoration. This is also for a project for the bathroom too. We're gonna spray paint and everything. These are for fall decoration. These are so cute and so pretty. Again, everything is from the dollar store. Look at this. Tell me if that looked like the dollar store. If you guys hear about Pier 1, that's where me and Lena used to buy every decoration for Christmas and all of that. And it was so expensive. I haven't been in Pier 1 in a long time now. Now this is going to be for a Halloween decoration. Again, guys, this is so cute. Look at this. You change color. And again, it's a good size. You know, it's a really good size. For $1, I think it's amazing. And I got that one, and then I have another one in another color, the same. This one in black. And again, it changed different colors. So I'm excited for that. Cannot wait to show you our decoration. I got this pumpkin. And then I have this sign also, and it says, "Hello, Fall." So cute. Guys, I'm obsessed with decoration. Decoration and decorating the house, that's like everything to me. Next thing we have are this pumpkin. Found this orange one. I also found this one. This one. Really good. I also find this one. These are ceramic one. The other ones are more plastic, but that one is a ceramic one. What else do we have? We had flowers and the sunflowers. Guys, sunflowers are my favorite flowers. And I'm gonna try to recreate something cute again for my centerpiece. This is so cute. These are garland that I'm gonna do for the decoration, and I'm gonna combine that with some candles that I got. These are my other pumpkins. More pumpkins. More pumpkins. I'm obsessed with pumpkin. I got like 10 of them, but I know where to put it. The next thing I want to tell you is this. These are candle holders, but not sure what I'm going to use them for. Probably going to do a DIY project with them and then let you know what I did. But these are really, really cute. And again, everything is from the dollar store. That's amazing. Everything I have shown you so far is from the dollar store. Guys, I want you to comment down below and tell me what's your favorite item out of those haul that I'm doing. And tell me if you're into fall decoration, if you like to change your house. I'm into all of that. I think when I changed my house, it changed my spirit. It changed my everything. I think I'm a different person also, like a different atmosphere in the house. So I think that's pretty good, and that's me. And again, like right now, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm an entrepreneur. So I have to actually get ideas of things that I want to do. These are the maple leaves, and this one has 50 count. And this is for a project, DIY project that I want to do with the biggest one also. I got this color and this color. These are totally amazing. Wait till you guys see the DIY project that I want to do. My other pumpkin, red. This is another sign that I have, and it says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Again. And then we have a ribbon woven, and this is for the DIY project that I want to see. This is not a lot, but I think it's enough. If you guys can see like the amount, let's see. It's 9 foot long. Yeah, 9 foot long. So that's good amount for $1. And they have like different color, different patterns, so you can find everything you want. Guys, Dollar Tree is the place to go. If you want to save money, especially if you be changing stuff like I do, I change a lot. So I need to save money. Like I said, now I'm a stay-at-home mom. Now I pay more attention to things that I didn't pay attention before, like sales and things that I'm saying at the supermarket, stores. Before I didn't think about that. Now that I'm a stay-at-home mom, I read the paper more now. Before I used to read it on my tablet, so no coupons. Now I actually read the paper who is delivered at home, so I get to get coupons and stuff like that, and I'm using it. I'm definitely using it. I'm using the app like for BJ's, Sam's Club, all of those places, and I keep it on my ad, and it's been working super good. The apps for BJ's and all the stores with the coupon I clip on it, so you could also do that. Now let's move into candles. Candles, this one it says citrus plus sea salt. And guys, when I tell you that the smell is off the hook, it's off the hook. We usually wait for the annual to go and use it, or Bath and Body Works. Both of them have beautiful candles, smell beautiful. Bath and Body Works has better sale when they do the annual sale, because sometimes they put like 3 for 10, 3 for 12, and it's really good. But sometimes this one for $1 is amazing. This one is the mango blood orange, and it's really good for $1. I think they're amazing. And now this one that I got here, I really like it because of the message that they have. So this one says cozy wishes and happy heart, and it smells so good. See, this one says give thanks. Smells so good. This one is my favorite smell out of all of them. And this one says hello fall. I cannot pick the smell of this. Let's see what it says. Maybe it says it's made in Indian. Oh, this one it says the Rose Collection, and it says Lux Linen. Let's see. That one says Lux Linen, so maybe. Oh, yes. This one says Vanilla Shy. So this one says Vanilla Shy. The other one Linen. Then this one. This one only says the candle collection. It doesn't set the smell. Yeah, this one doesn't set the smell. But those are Vanilla and Linen, so those are really good. This one is another candle for the DIY project that I bought on the decoration. This one is Spice Pumpkin. That's what it says. Smells so good. The rest of the stuff that I got from my DIY project, and I got some art brushes and pencils. I also got foam brushes. These are for the DIY project that I want to do. I want to use this for the shop paint. I also got this. It's a hacksaw, and this one is sandpaper. All of this is for my DIY project that I have. And then I also have the Mod Podge. This is the glue. This is one of the best glue for DIY project, and you can find it the Dollar Tree. This one it says water-based sealer, glue, and finish. And then this one it says glass, and this one it says matte. So this one is matte and this one is glass. So two different ones. Again, find that at the dollar, and it has a lot. It has a lot. So that's pretty good. And I hope hope you like everything that I found. I just wanted to come to you guys and tell you about everything that I bought at the dollar store for my DIY projects, for my fall and Halloween decoration for the house. Again, every piece, every part of the house that I do, I am gonna let you know, and I'm gonna show you the before and after so you guys can see the transformation. I'm gonna try to show you a little bit of the process while I'm changing it and all of that. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to do that. Sometimes, you know, it's a little hard and I forget. But yes, thank you so much, guys, for letting me come back to your channel. This is your channel. This is you. This is your family. We are your family. And I'm so glad for the love and support for our comeback video. And yes, we are going to do a lot more videos. Like I say, I promise you 2 videos every week. Maybe 3. I want to compromise to 2 videos every week. But again, I'm going to try to do at least 3 videos every week. You know, 2 for sure, but at least 3 every week. And into those videos, I want to bring you things for the house, things that I do around the house now that I'm a stay-home mom. And the next one that I'm going to bring you is about relationships. I want to create a space for relationships. You guys have a lot of questions about me and Lena being together for 17 years and how we do it and what's the magic. There's no magic. The magic is communication, like I said. But again, there's a video that we did and it's amazing. I just have to edit it and do this so I can put it up. It'll be up next week, and it's going to be about relationship and relationship goals and things that you can do to better your own relationships, okay? So it's going to be until next time. Again, comment down below. Please like this video. If you watch this video, please like it. If you don't like it, then you don't like it. But if you do like the video, thumbs up. Please, 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 thumbs up. Give us a comment. Let us know if you like what we see, if you like what we do, if you have any suggestion, any new things that you want us to do. I'm rambling, but let us know. Also, please hit that bell, subscribe, so we can get to our goal. My goal is to get 1,500 subscribers by Christmas. That's like, we are like 263 subscribers away from having 1,500 subscribers. And the way we could do it is with your help. Share this channel, please. If you like it and you know somebody will like it, share. Share on your Instagram, share on your Facebook channel. Please share and share this video so we can be, how we're gonna do, okay? And tomorrow you're gonna see a little little clip of what's coming on. Again, until next time, this is Destiny with 2 Fam Family. Hasta luego.